Okay, I'm recording this video after the fact, after I reviewed everything that's gonna follow this, because, man, I don't want to make videos that give people advice or give people the answers, because no one, and I see all this shit on YouTube of like, this is what it means to be a man, this is what it means to, and that it always follows with like, oh, join my coaching call, join my awakened group, join my this or that, give me your money. I don't want to do that. What the fuck? I can I guess I could just only make videos for myself and to myself and give myself advice, and it's just like an an echo chamber of me talking to myself and other considerations, but no, I don't have the answer for anyone. I don't have any. All the advice here, take it with a huge grain of salt, because a lot of the things I'm sharing are still half baked, and some of the stuff I haven't even fully actualized myself, and it's a lot of speculation. So yeah, if you are watching this, if this stuff kind of interests you, uh, please be careful with who you listen to. And be careful with listening to me. Find out what's true for you, please. Like, actually test stuff out, and don't just take it for granted. Don't believe a word I say. Don't believe a word anyone says. Find out. With that being said, what I said in this video is regarding goals. I pulled up the definition, and a goal is the object of a person's ambition or effort, an aim or desired result, which is it is always in the future. An ambition or an effort is always for something. It did like something just doesn't happen spontaneously, doesn't happen instantly. So it is in the future. And to get something in the future, uh, it seems to me that commitment is needed. And this is all the stuff I've done with Cheng Shin and Peter Ralston and Brendan Lee, who are based out in Texas. And I'm like near parroting these words. Uh, yeah, it just seems to me that commitment is needed, and commitment is committing to a goal, or committing to do something. It's tied with discipline, and yeah, time is essential. Is like it's part of this, because it's all in the I think it's all in the relative world, where I want my future to be like this. I want this outcome, so I'm going to commit to do to make this thing a reality. And yeah, so what does commitment entail? What does all that making a goal a reality entail? I don't know, because I'm not very good with commitment. That's something I'm still working on. Despite my really low-key and chill career, my most recent and final job that I worked was being a driver for veterans, and that's a job that I thoroughly enjoyed. Being able to serve a vulnerable population and meet a lot of very different people, like ranging from ages 18 to 65, and all physical or mental ailments that come with the work of the military. That's the type of work that that energizes me. The kind of work that I enjoy. I enjoy service. I don't know, it's like if it's the full body, hell yeah, for me. But serving others, being a waiter is also really fun too. It's like knowing people's needs before they know they need it. Being a support, like even in video games, being the support class is something I always enjoyed. Like tanking for others, healing people, providing supplies, even in real life, like taking people on hikes, or guiding bicycle trips around the city. I would always be the one with extra clothes or food or snacks or equipment or anything that'll make sure that people don't die, and the longevity and quality of the trip is upheld. One thing I realized the moment, maybe a day after I lost my job, is that I have a lot more responsibility now than I did when I had a job. At least that's in relation to the job that I did have. So that's really subjective. Now I don't have any like set lists of tasks to do. I don't have a boss I can do the bare minimum of effort for. Then I can that I can so I can script by the day. Every day is dictated by me, and the only one that is holding me accountable is me. The only one who will suffer the consequences of the of my slacking off is me. There's no one else to pick up the slack. It's just biggie. It's just me, and now I have like a fair time limit until my savings dwindle to a point that's unbearable. And till then, I need to maximize each day. So I'm moving closer towards the goals that I create for myself, and for the powerful life that I want to create for myself. What that looks like is not fully clear yet. I mean, just even figuring out what the ideal day is, figuring out what the goals I want to actualize are. Yeah, more to follow on that one. But for now, the goal is to snuggle my kitty. I get so many thoughts and ideas of, oh, I should have the goal of I should be a plumber. Oh, I should be an electrician. I should be X, Y, or Z. Oh, I should do this. I should go for this opportunity because it'll lead to X, Y, and Z. And then I just have like fantasies and imaginings of where it'll lead and how secure I'll be, how much money I'll make, and all that. And but it always leads back to the same place of wanting to survive as a character, wanting to sustain myself. So yeah, I want to let all of that go and let go of any future imaginings. But it's such a paradox too, because having a goal is like having a future imagining, and making the most of each day towards a goal is because of that thought in the future. Man, but detaching a thing, detaching the want to survive from that, and rather going towards what feels the most true. I don't know if there's any survival involved in what feels the most true. Maybe it's a survival of being of like a certain character I'm trying to be. What feels the most true right now, speaking from experience, what feels the most true is I want to try to become a bicycle tour guide. I want to make beautiful videos. I want to showcase the beauty of nature, the simplicity of it, and I want to contemplate and just share anything in my life to on video and in photo. But is there something there that's those? It's still something I'm exploring. There's something inherently fulfilling about those things. It's just things that I want to do, but I know like if I don't do them, it'll be like a what if. And I don't want to have any what ifs in this life, or I don't want to have any loose ends, regrets in this life. Oh my god, he just drooled everywhere. Yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with following these goals, as long as I'm not seeking like some kind of everlasting fulfillment from these goals. Because the moment they're actualized, then that's it. Yay, happy feelings for 10 minutes, and then it's over. So just seeing, yeah. Yeah, all things pass. Okay, but crazy idea. What if a goal is not a future imagining at all? What if a goal, let's say I want to be I I want to be a respected photographer. I want to be a yeah. Let's just do that. What feels the most true? What I want to be a powerful man. I want to be that. Do I need to be that? No, I don't need to be a powerful man, but I want to get there. I want to be there. And the crazy idea is, could I just become it? Just in an instant. Okay, powerful. What does it mean to be powerful? Like effective? What does it mean to be powerful? Strong? Strong how? What's strong? What is a man? What are any of these things? Maybe not working every day to get there, but actually just getting there. Is that possible? I want to be this. Okay, then be it. Go do that thing. So what does it take to just be the thing right now? And because you realize what that thing is, what a powerful man is in this example, and once you realize what that is to its core, you can just become it. And day by day, because you fully realized it and could just tap into its core, it'll just naturally bloom and flower and just fruit, and it's just actualized. Because of that, like, I don't know if time is actually even, well, time is probably relevant in this case. But like the instant change occurs that I'm now a powerful man. That something that seems like time happens, and then I am that thing that I wanted to actualize. Powerful man or respected photographer or whatever. Right now I'm just speculating. I actually have to do this and try this for myself. So yeah, something to consider is what goals do you, and I guess I'm talking to myself here. What goals do you want to actualize? And I prefer personally to keep it under like 2 or 3 goals, big ones, because there's a lot of time. There's a lot, but there's such a little time in the world, and there's just so much energy in my life at least to actualize something. So yeah, there's a lot to explore in the coming days, weeks, months of my retirement. Thanks for listening.